What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin with NIA Body Kits, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the OEM spoiler on this Lexus GS350. Stay tuned. To remove, we recommend a plastic spatula. That way it does not scratch your paint. And you're gonna need a 10mm deep socket. You're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver, a clip remover. So first things first, if you have a factory spoiler, we need to remove it. So let's start off by opening up the trunk, and then you're gonna locate the panel. With the clip remover, locate all the little clips and start removing them one by one. When you get to the door latch, you're gonna see a clip, and that just clips right off. Locate the door handle and then open it up. There you're going to see two Phillips screws. With the Phillips screwdriver, just remove them. If your car is equipped with the automatic door close, locate the button. The cover comes right off with the clip remover. Just really slowly pull it out. Once everything is off, then the panel should be loose and it comes right out. Once the panel is removed, on the edge, you're going to see two 10mm nuts. With your 10mm socket, remove them. Once the two nuts are removed, this is when you get your plastic spatula and you get between the spoiler and the trunk. Try to go in between to remove the double-sided tape off and start unclipping the spoiler off the trunk. Now that the spoiler is off, try to remove the double-sided tape off the trunk. You're good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the Lexus GS. If you have any questions, please comment below. We always get back to everybody. Thank you guys again.